Academy of Private Investor. Who are we? We are an efficient educational system in the 21st century, and every day we work hard to get better. We teach on how to manage money, how to multiply it and use it reasonably. We give people a complete picture of finance and investment science, personal development and business in 179 countries around the world. We have created and successfully provide a variety of programs and workshops that have helped dozens of thousands of trained and successful investors to enter the market. Our students become investment advisors, portfolio managers, and stock analysts. We train to find, analyze, and select tools for successful business development in 20 market segments. We teach to create investment portfolios and manage it by applying gained knowledge in practice. We support the initiatives of our students and are always open to venture projects.
Raise your hand, please.
We are ready to bet on future technologies. We unite people and show the path to financial freedom. We develop you and guide you to the creation of a new reality according to the concept of the new economic evolution of the world. Instead of asking, how much do we earn? It is much more important to understand how we should preserve and increase earnings. And we have answers to these questions. We are the Academy of Private Investor. We have updated our brand to achieve greater efficiency, global reach, and the ability to share even more knowledge. For people, for you.